Want to know how to open up a terminal or a new terminal in Cursor AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your Cursor AI application, and once you've opened it up, you should be provided with this interface right here. So make sure you are logged in as well. We have also created a video on how to log in, so make sure to watch it. So once you've done all of that, you should be provided with this interface. And now once you're under this interface, at the top you should be seeing various navigation options. So right here you should be seeing view as well, so you can just simply select that. So once you're under view, here you should be seeing terminal on the bottom, that should be right above word wrap. So you can just simply select that and your terminal should open up, or a new terminal should open up just like this right here. Now instead of that, you can also use a shortcut, that is Ctrl+J, according to your shortcut settings. So if you have tweaked your shortcut settings, it should be something else, but by default it should be Ctrl+J, and it should open up a terminal by default, and you can just simply run the code and modify it accordingly. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.